When our Redmi phone has all of a sudden become a black screen and not able to even turn on, despite of you keeping power on, if it is not coming up, what you can do, we're going to discuss in this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel and we'll be getting into the video straight away. If it is the issue of black screen or not able to turn on, what you can do, there may be sometimes silly issue which you have not even charged your mobile. Keep it in the charger and charging mode, it would be able to start your mobile. Okay, so this is the first solution, which is a very simple one, silly thing. Despite of doing this, if it is not working, then the second solution which we can do is straight away, despite of we are going to power on by just pressing power button. If it is not turning, we can go and do the second thing by just holding your volume button, volume down, and this power button simultaneously for certain time. Let's see, I'm going to just press volume down and power button for certain time, and it would be able to start. Sometimes what happen, as soon as you press this one, this would be falling into fast boot mode. You don't need to worry for this one. From the fast boot mode, you can easily come out by just pressing this power button. So you just press the power button, you would be able to come out of your fast boot. You may have to just hold it for 15 to 20 seconds. It will come out. Let's see. This is coming out of that particular thing, but your solution has been done. You are able to start your mobile phone. If it is also not working, the third solution would be Third solution would be this holding the volume up button along with the power button. Just keep holding the power and volume up button. You would be able to start your mobile successfully, and you would be very much happy after doing this. There might be sometimes your mobile may get into no command mode. Again, the same solution, just go and press this power button for certain time. Your mobile would come out of this no